Hey guys, this time we're gonna be doing this video, and it's okay if you don't like it or not. We're just doing this for fun because we're really like to do entertainment.
Hello. What are you doing? Okay. I'm gonna be playing Blue Jay the Bird, and
I'll be playing Buddy.
Don't do that. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna be starting right now.
Okay. In 3, 2, 1. Anybody there?
I'm here.
Oh, hello.
Do you want to be friends?
Sure. Okay.
What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Buddy. What's your name?
My name is Blue Jay the Bird.
Okay.
They call me Blue by short.
Or just Jay?
No, just Blue. But you can call me Jay.
Okay.
So, you want to play catch?
Sure.
Okay, let me go get my ball.
Okay, I'll be waiting.
Where did it go? Oh, I found it.
I don't mind if that's... You said it's a ball, but that's okay.
Oh, you want to still play catch? Here. Okay, here, catch. Ah! I didn't even thought right. Catch. Ah, you suck!
But
No! I suck too.
Hey! Wait!
Don't. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh. Come on. You suck at throwing.
Oh, I'm not gonna play catch, but I just like to play fun. I caught it!
Okay, go back. Oh my god. Throw it right.
Okay.
Oh my god, you still don't throw it right.
What are you doing? Be quiet.
You better what? You better what? Huh?
What do you mean?
You better what?
I'm gonna be fed.
No, I don't. Don't hit me. You want to be friends still?
No, you're being a
Shut up, and we're gonna play catch still, and we're still gonna be friends.
No.
Yes. Oh my god, you always have to cry, you bum. Hey, don't hit me! Don't hit me! Ah!
Why are you being mean?
I'm not being mean. You're a mean one.
But you're acting all aggressive. I don't understand you, man. What you mean?
Can you not hear me whispering? Like, come on! Hey, don't do that!
You know what? Eat your little thing.
Hey, stop! Give her my ball! Give her my ball! I'm not gonna call my dad on you. I hate you. I'm calling my dad. I got my dad. Dad, say something to him.
Oh, aren't you Buzz Lightyear's son?
Yeah, why?
Oh, me and your dad are friends.
Oh, okay.
Dad, you're not supposed to say that. Why do you and Buzz Lightyear have to be friends? I hate you.
They've been friends since preschool. Let them be.
I don't care. Don't talk to me.
You're mean.
Take my dad away from me. Oh, no.
I'm keeping him safe with me and Buzz.
That's my dad. Give me my dad.
No, you're being evil.
Give me my dad. Ah. Don't do that.
You know what?
Hey, stop it. Don't do that.
You know what's
My
like
ball back.
my whole life? Boy, what you give me some sass or what?
I'm gonna go.
You killed your dad.
I don't care.
How dare you?
Choke up too.
I will respond you because we respond. But you don't because I'm going to make the medicine you don't.
Don't do that.
You're an evil person. Boy, why are you getting my foot?
Yes, I can. Why do you whisper? Go get your dad.
get my dad
before he can beat you up.
What are you doing? Wait, are you Spider-Man's son?
Yeah? I killed my dad right now.
He's gonna respawn and we're friends since preschool.
I don't care. I don't care.
Yeah, Dad, I'll help you out.
Where's my ball? I want my ball. Where's my ball? Hey, don't hit me!
You better not hit me.
Stupid.
I am not stupid.
Yeah, he finally died, but that will be the end of today's video.
No, it won't.
Yes,
Or
it will.
is it?
He just respawned again.
Oh my god, he respawned. Oh! Okay, that will be the end.
We'll be kind again and be friendly
Yeah.
now.
Huggies. Huggy. Okay,
So,
that'll be the end. And tell us, who do you like more? And who's the meanest? I swear, if you say that he is nicer than me, I will go to your house and kiss you in the lips. So don't do it. Don't do it. Okay. Bye.
so that was our video, and we just did that for fun, and that fighting.
Hope you
was
liked
actually-
it.
Yes, we hope you did.
And please tell us, who did you like the most? And
Yes.
I swear to God, if you say you like him, then that will happen to you.
No, it won't. No, it won't.
Stop it.
okay, yeah.
I want it to be a tie for both of us to see.
I don't care.
Okay, yeah, that would be the end of today's video, and hope you like it. Goodbye.